Putty W is an easy-to-use, water-based putty filler that has been tested by independent toxicologists to ensure it doesn't pose any chronic health hazards. It adheres to wood, metal, most plastics, and rigid foam, making it a great wood filler, a versatile sculpting material, and an excellent non-toxic, fume-free alternative to polyester fillers and putties. In this video, I'll give you an overview of Putty W, explain how it differs from our main product Aqua-Resin, and show you how to use it. Putty W shares many similarities with our main product Aqua-Resin, a non-toxic composite resin. Like Aqua-Resin, it's a two-part system consisting of a liquid and a powder. Both products use the same L liquid, but Putty W pairs with Putty W powder, while Aqua-Resin uses S3 powder. When hardened, Putty W has an opaque finish with a slight pink to off-white tint, similar to Aqua-Resin. Its water resistance makes it ideal for exterior applications, and you can use all our pigments, fiberglass, and other ancillaries with it. The key differences between Aqua-Resin and Putty W include the mixing ratio, viscosity, work and set time, and the hardness of the material once it's set. Putty W can be mixed by eye to reach your preferred consistency. As a general guide, a 1 part liquid to 1.5 parts powder by weight creates a stiff putty that works well for filling. Putty W is more viscous than Aqua-Resin, making it a great filler and sculpting material, while Aqua-Resin is more pourable and less viscous. A Putty W mixture with a 1 part liquid to 1.5 parts powder ratio by weight has a work time of around 5 minutes and sets in approximately 5 to 8 minutes. The thicker the mixture, the faster it sets. Once hardened, Putty W is slightly softer than Aqua-Resin, making it easier to sand. This strength makes it ideal for connecting or repairing cured Aqua-Resin casts, giving you more control without removing too much material. Now, I'm going to show you how to use Putty W by patching up this hole right here. I'm following the guided mixing ratio, 1 part liquid to 1.5 parts powder by weight, using 10 grams of L liquid and 15 grams of Putty W powder. First, I'll add the powder to the liquid and mix it well with a spatula. Before applying the putty, I'll make sure the surface is clean and free of dust. Now, I'll take some of the mixture on the spatula and fill in the hole. I'll clean the spatula by wiping off the mixture with a wet paper towel. You can also clean your tools by rinsing them in a bucket of water. I'll let this set for about 10 to 20 minutes. As you can see, there's no shrinkage in the putty. For a smoother finish, you can wet sand the surface like this. If you're interested in trying out Putty W, we offer a trial kit that conveniently includes both the Putty W powder and L liquid. You can purchase the trial kit, Putty W powder, and L liquid from your nearest distributor listed on our website or directly through our web store linked below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more Aqua-Resin content. Thanks for watching!